the consumer goods insight. This is the SQL project. And the company overview. The AtliQ Hardware imaginary company is one of the leading computer hardware producer in India and will expand it in other countries too. The company's market, the worldwide companies, different market is different location and shown every the problem statement. Management noticed a lack of insight for quickly smart data informed decision made to expand the data analytics team with several junior data analysts. Tony Sharma, the analytics director, seeks candidate with strong tech and soft skill to evaluate this skill. Tony decided to conduct a skill challenge. The dataset are used for this skill project, and this is fact manufacturing cost and fact pre-invoice deduction, fact gross price, fact sales monthly, dimension product, and dimension customer. The company details. The company uh, sells different products. Uh, this is the different product segments or division. This is the network and services, peripheral and accessories, and personal computer. And network and services product are divided here, and peripheral and accessories, and network and desktop by under PC. Ad hoc request and the solution. The stakeholder request one provide the list of market which customer AtliQ exclusive offers its business in the APAC region, effect region. For this request, this is the SQL code and this visual in the Power BI and this full dynamic. The request to what is the percentage of unique products increase in 2021 versus 2020. The final output contains this field: unique products 2020, unique products 2021, and percentage changes. How percentage changes 2020 and 2021. This is the SQL code, and this is the 2021 unique products and the 2021. This is unique product, this is unique product, and the request 3 provide report with all the unique products counts for each segments and sort them descending order products counts. This is the SQL code and it's shown by the funnel chart. Request for follow-up: which segment had the most increase in unique products 2021 versus 2022. The final output contains this field segment, products count 2021 and the difference. This is the SQL code and this is the final output in the Power BI. The request type they get the products have that have highest and lowest manufacturing cost. The final output should contain these fields: product code, product, and manufacturing cost. For this, a request create SQL code, and this is the output, and this shown in the Power BI. Request 6 generate a report which contains the top 5 customers who received an average high pre-invoice discount percentage for the fiscal year 2021 in the Indian market, and The final output contains these fields: customer code, customer average discount percentage, and this is the SQL code, and this is the visual for this request, and this is the request get the complete report of the gross sales amount for the customer AtliQ exclusive for each month. This analysis helps to get an idea low and high performing months and take a strategic decision. The final reports contains these columns: month, year, and gross sales amount. This is SQL code, and this is the fiscal year 2020, and this is fiscal year 2021, and this point is the highest point. The request 8 in which quarter of 2020 got the maximum total quantity. The final output contains these fields sorted by the total sold quantity, quarter, total sold quantity, and this is the SQL code, and this is the visual, and quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. The request and which channel helped to bring more gross sales in fiscal year 2021 and the percentage of contribution. This is the SQL code, and these output are shown in the do not check. And request 10 or last request get the top 3 products in each division that have high total sold quantity in the fiscal year 2021, and the final output contains this field: division, product code, product total sold quantity, and the rank order, and the SQL code are shown here, and the visual are top 3 highest selling product by division fiscal year 2021 version, and it is the division wise selection of the changes in the visual, and is shown in the Power BI dashboard. Thank you for this presentation, and go to Power BI dashboard. This is the company details, and it is dynamic. This is the company overall market in the world. This is the request one or the AtliQ exclusive market. This is the request 2. This is request 3. This is the request 4. This is request 5, and it's for the 5 Indian customer with highest average discount percentage for fiscal year 2021, and gross sales amount for AtliQ exclusive by month is the fiscal year 2020 to 2020 and fiscal year 2021. The requested total sold quantity quarter of 2020 in the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. And this is the request 9, and its output the gross sales amount, percentage of contribution by channels. It shows the channel wise contribution, gross sales amount, and the last request the top 3 highest selling products by division for the fiscal year 2021, and this is the network and services. This is the network and services, peripheral and accessories. Select peripheral and accessories, PC. This is the PC, and this is the top 3 highest selling products. The It's clear. Thank you.